Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest, yung mga hindi para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notifications or for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat Sagittarius. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you for the month of November 2024, Sagittarius. Merong the dreamer, okay? May mga potential, new potential or new opportunities, no, na darating sa inyo, opportunity for advancement, kumbaga. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, this is a new chapter, no, in your life. May parating na bagong direksyon sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you'll be working or going abroad, no? Or may job overseas, no? Na para sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yeah. Parang may panibagong pag-asa, no? Or merong renewal na mangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay, merong magandang pagbabago, kumbaga. Meron kayong uumpisahan, okay? A new chapter in your life. Okay. Maybe this is not only new chapter but new and exciting chapter in your life, okay? Parang excited kayo, no? In the month of November. Sagittarius. Okay. So work. Ano? Okay. So tingnan natin. Maybe there is an invitation for you to travel. This travel is about work or work-related na travel ito. Okay? You need to make a wise decision, no? Most especially pagdating sa kaperahan or pagdating sa negosyo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, ang hard work mo will be paid off, no? Parang, yeah, meron kayong pagtatrabahuhin, meron kayong imamaster na trabaho. Kailangan ng focus ito. Okay? Yeah, of course, there is competition. May mga tao talaga na gusto rin yung gusto ninyo. Okay? May mga desire sila na siguro this is a competition. Okay? So, everyone wants to be on top. Everyone wants to win, no? Yeah, okay? But also, may mga tao dito na they're not seeing they're not on the same page, kumbaga, okay? Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Yeah. Yeah, merong someone, no, parang nagpapakita sa inyo ng kabutihan dito, okay? But you are building walls, kumbaga. You are learning to say no. Maybe this is an offer or an opportunity, pero maliit lang to na opportunity. Something like that, okay? Or maybe there is someone who wants to talk to you. Okay, but you are very protective of yourself, no? You are saying no. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo malakas ang loob ninyo, Sagittarius. Okay. Page of Swords. Yeah, for some of you, you are getting information or news, no? About success, about victory, no? Magbibigay ito sa inyo ng enlightenment, no? At magbibigay ng solusyon sa inyong problema. Okay? Yeah. Merong happiness, no? Well-earned, well-deserved mo to na happiness, no? And joy. For some of you, babalik yung vitality ninyo. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are missing someone. Parang naalala mo yung past mo, yung family mo. If you are living or working abroad, maybe you are missing your family in your hometown. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, pagdating sa work, kailangan mo maging strategic, no? Okay. And wise at the same time, may kailangan kang pagtrabahuin. Okay? Yeah. May mga kailangan kang ayusin. No? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you need to see the truth, no, of a situation. Or may kailangan kang gawin na desisyon or may mga choices kang gagawin. Okay? But kung ano man to yung pinagtatrabahuan mo, okay, it will be favored, no, to you, no, or you will be favored. Okay? Kung ano man to, kung meron mang deceit, lies, or panuloko sa trabaho or sa inyong ginagawa, you will get justice, no? You will know the truth. Okay? And now, parang kailangan mo na maging wise sa mga decision mo at sa mga susunod mong galaw or moves or action. Okay? Knight of Cups. Tingnan natin. Okay. Okay. So, merong opportunity na darating sa inyo or maybe you will be receiving a news, a communication about good news, no? Yeah, about success. Okay? Yeah, kung ano man to, magbibigay ito sa inyo ng security or stability, no? Sa finances. Okay? Yeah, parang makikilala ka, you will be known, you will be popular, or you will be famous, no? Merong celebration or get-together na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah. Kung meron kang mga concerns dati or meron kang mga problema, okay, merong darating na kasagutan. Para dyan. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, there is an upgrade, no, sa inyong pamumuhay. There will be abundance that will be shared to your family or to your loved ones. Okay. Tingnan natin. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Merong tulong na pinansyal na darating sa inyo at good news. Okay? Medyo mabagal, no? Kung ano man tong opportunity na to sa inyo na darating. Okay? Medyo mabagal, but it will ensure stability, no? Also, there is parang may invitation dito sa inyo na mag-travel, no? Work-related ito. Pero pinagdidesisyonan mo pa. Okay? You are worried about money, about budget, no? Okay? Maybe you have concerns about money. Okay? You are thinking about a solution for this. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo may mga self-limiting beliefs. You are not seeing the possibility in the positivity in the situation. Okay? Para ang negative, no? Negative thoughts dito. Okay? Queen of Swords. No? You need to communicate, no? Kung ano yung kailangan mo, Sagittarius. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, yeah, you are clearing things, no? That no longer serve you. Okay? Alam mo kung ano yung mga dapat ninyong gawin, kung ano yung direksyon na tatahakin. Okay? Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili mo. Do not overthink. Okay? Five of Wands. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, kung ano man tong mga kaguluhan na to or mga problema, no? So, you need to move away from that situation, no? Merong also ending dyan. Okay? So, focus ka lang, mag-move forward ka lang sa inyong ginagawa sa trabaho mo man to or sa negosyo. Okay? Leave a situation na hindi nakakatulong sa inyo emotionally. Okay? Yeah. You know that you deserve something better. You deserve better. Okay, you deserve something better. Sagittarius. Yeah. Siguro nasi-stress na kayo sa inyong ginagawa or sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. So, merong ending dyan. Kailangan mo lang ng motivation to move forward. Also, do not underestimate yourself, no? Yeah, believe in yourself, be confident, kumbaga. Okay? Yeah. Okay, tingnan natin the dreamers. The dreamer. Okay. You need to take the leap of faith, take the risk, no? Kung merong invitation sa inyo, no? Yeah, kailangan mo karoon ng confidence. You need to take action. Okay? Yeah, okay. Also, yeah. Kailangan mo maging confident, no? Kung ano man to, magbibigay ito sa inyo ng kakayahan, no, na mag-stand out kayo. Okay? Kung ano man tong mga challenges na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? Merong power and stability dito. Siguro merong invitation dito sa inyo about invitation to travel, no? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng security pagdating sa finances or pagdating sa trabaho. Kailangan mo lang magtiyaga siguro, no? Okay? And be patient of your situation. Yeah. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa, no? Parang ikaw yung tipo ng tao na kung ano man yung mga challenges na dumadating sa inyo, nalalagpasan mo or nalalampasan mo. Okay? Yeah. You have the inner strength, no? Na para ma-overcome tong mga challenges na to. Okay? So again, merong opportunity na magbibigay sa inyo ng power and stability. Okay? Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili mo. You need to take action. You need to decide, no? Kung meron mang mga negative thoughts, yung feeling mo parang hindi mo kaya. Okay, most especially kung meron kang issues or problem about money, speak, no? Magsalita ka lang, communicate, and merong someone dito na tutulong sa inyo financially, okay? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng suporta. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo merong issues about sa work, no? Na kailangan mo bigyan ng pansin, pay attention, na kailangan mo magbigyan ng atensyon, okay? It's like you are being strategic or meron kang iniiwasan dito. Pero kailangan mo na pag-aksyonan or kailangan mong pag-desisyonan. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano pa for Sagittarius? Guardian Angel. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your Guardian Angel. Okay? So, merong Guardian Angel na nagpoprotekta sa inyo. Okay? Na makaahon ka sa difficulties, sa mga misfortune. Sweet success. It is not difficult to get everything you want and enjoy it. get what you want. Okay? So, merong tagumpay, no? Na mangyayari or darating sa inyo. Also, merong winning. Sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once, okay? Magtira. Don't spend everything. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, no? Yung iba sa inyo, it's like one day millionaire, okay? You need to invest. You need to spend wisely, kumbaga, no? And save for the future. Okay? Yeah. May swerte na darating sa inyo, Sagittarius. So, just be patient. Again, be patient, no? Ito pa. Sagittarius. New home. Moving is a step in the right direction for you. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong bagong bahay. Okay? Or you will be moving to a new house, no? Okay. Daughter. The answer to your question involves your daughter. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, may mga anak kayo, no, na babae, no? Parang sila yung magbibigay sa inyo ng enlightenment, no? Parang sila din yung solusyon sa inyong mga concerns or problema. Sila din ang inyong inspiration or motivation. Okay? Yeah, kung meron kayong concern about your marriage or about your relationship, no? Okay, so meron kayong daughter na parang kailangan ninyo i-consider. Summer. Everything that you are asking for becomes yours in the summertime. Okay? Yeah, so kung ano man yung dinidesire ninyo, ano man yung wish ninyo, you will get it. It will be granted to you on summertime. Okay? One more, Sagittarius. Keep moving forward even if you are unsure of your next step or where it may take you. Trust that you are walking the path you are meant to walk. Remember, we are walking it with you. Trust yourself more, okay? Pagtiwala kayo sa sarili, no? So, kailangan nyo lang move forward, no? In your situation, most especially sa inyong trabaho. If you are not sure about it, no? Sa mga susunod ninyong aksyon, okay? But trust yourself, no? Trust the path or the direction na binibigay sa inyo, okay? Trust the process, trust the universe, okay, Sagittarius? So, all the best sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!